Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and to part 3 of my epic attic declutter. My glasses are really dirty. Sorry that this video has been a really long time coming, but I procrastinated. Anyway, we're doing it now. I'm gonna be roaming around up in the attic again, trying to get rid of some stuff, trying to organize my life. Before I scurry on up into the attic, I just wanted to let you guys know that the doors are now open again for my Less Junk, More Joy 12-week decluttering course. I cannot believe it has already been 12 weeks since it went on sale last time, but hey, it's back. If you are serious about decluttering but you don't know where to start, or you feel like you need to be held a little bit more accountable, then this is the course for you, because it comes with 12 weeks worth of pep talk videos that walk you through what you're going to be decluttering each week and how you're going to rock it. It comes with access to an exclusive Facebook group where you can share your progress and talk to other members. I send out weekly emails with printable worksheets that are going to help keep you accountable and like on track on your journey. And then it comes with a pretty extensive ebook with basically everything I know about decluttering and how to break it down week by week so that it's manageable, easy and achievable for you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I am beginning to take on new applicants now. There are only 30 spaces, so get in quick, and I'll leave that in the link in the description box down below. And now it's time for me to get on with some of my own decluttering. So let's do this. I'm already over it. So I have an idea that if I could just get like this side of the attic organized for today, then this corner of doom over here is something that I can work on at a later date. But at least if everything is away and up off the floor over this side here, then that would be a really good start. And on today's edition of Why the Heck Are We Storing This in Our Attic? The inside of a frame. Yeah, just the paper that comes in the frame before you put your own picture in it. Why? I've said it before and I'll say it again. The attic sucks because no matter how much you do, it feels like you're not making any progress. It still looks terrible. Ah! It's a box of alcohol. Feeling pretty good about that find, not gonna lie. Dad! Hello? Help! I just had another really cool find that I'm pretty excited about. So this grimy looking box contains doll's house furniture that I had when I was really little. And it goes to show because it does not look the best. It's very old, but it's like good quality stuff. It's made of wood, not cheap plastic from China, right? Remember those days? And it's got like the whole set in here, the little beds, and it's got like the sink. I loved this when I was a kid. I played with it for hours, and obviously now it's old. It's kind of all the fabric is coming off. It's dated. But I thought it would be a really fun project to bring this down, paint it up, put some new fabric on it, and just make it look nice again. And then, I don't know, I have some friends with kids, maybe they would want it, but just to like breathe some new life into it. Upcycling. Oh my gosh, we love a bit of upcycling. Yes. Yes. Also, this is like unbearably warm up here. I'm sweaty. It's gross. Remember when I first started this series and it was winter time and I was like, it's unbearably cold. Well, now it's unbearably warm. It's just never a fun time up here.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
So once again, I've gotten rid of so much stuff. Lots of stuff that I'm clearing out and taking to the charity shop, and it has made seemingly no difference. It feels like no matter how much stuff I get rid of, it's just like a mountain that's too high to climb. This is just such a frustrating process, and I know that I just need to have patience. I know that I just need to keep plugging away at it, and if I get rid of this much stuff every time, like a boot full of stuff here, 6 boxes there, a couple trash bags another time, like it will get better. But it's so frustrating when you work for hours moving things around, like, and it's hard, like, because there are all these beams in the way. It's like an obstacle course, and I'm so sweaty and I'm not strong and I'm making it work, and then I look around and I'm like, ta-da, nothing has changed. But this is the way it is sometimes with decluttering. Some things are very easy to get through. It's a fast process and it's very satisfying. And then other things like this make you want to pull out your eyeballs and stomp on them. It's kind of how I feel right now. I don't even know what else to say about it. I'm very sweaty and frustrated. But slow progress is better than no progress, and we have progressed at least. So I'm gonna leave it here for today because it is way too hot to spend any longer up here, and take my stuff to the charity shop. And yeah, remember, if you guys want to join in on the 12-week declutter, I'll leave the information in the description box down below. I only have 30 spaces. But until next time, thank you guys so much for joining me for this hellish adventure that we're on. Remember that I love you all so much. You are enough just as you are, and I will see you all soon. Bye!